Okay, so today me and Eshani, we both are going to do our turtle programming. So we chose a particular design and we'll see how it comes out when we do the programming. So what will be the first line of code, Eshani?
Import title.
And okay, let's import turtle. What does it mean? Do you know? Import turtle is basically importing the turtle package from Python. Okay, what is the next line?
Mm,
We need to make that background color black.
PG
Yes.
title.
Can you be a little louder so everyone can listen?
Title.pg color. Black.
Yes, turtle.bg color black.
Black.
Okay, so you see the screen has come now with the bg color black. Let me trim down a little bit so we can see it here. Okay, so what next? Now
We have to enter type.
yes, so for that we have to use, let's give it a name. So we'll give Fred. Fred or turtle? Okay, Fred. So our turtle name is Fred. Fred is equal to
Title.
turtle dot pen. Okay, and then we have to give it a shape. What shape will give?
Title.
Fred dot shape, and we can give any other shapes like arrow or square, but for this one we will give it is a turtle shape. Yeah, so now this turtle, you see, do you see the turtle in the center of the black string? No, it's not showing because the turtle color is black and the background bg color is black. That's why it's not showing up here. So what we have to do before doing anything else, right? Let's increase the pen size. Okay, Fred dot pen size.
That is not that.
Okay. Yes. Fred dot pen size. Let's give it a 2 or 3. 2. Okay. Still it's not showing because the turtle color is black, that's why. So it will be showing because we'll be using different colors now. So we have to use loop because we don't want to draw again and again the pattern, right? So we have to use a loop. So for I in range, what we discovered, 5 is a good size for the loop to run, then colon. Then we'll define our colors. So this is a list of colors. We have to define colors in and red. Okay. Blue. So this order, whatever order we are choosing here, right? In this order, it will get printed. So blue. Next.
Green.
Green. Next.
Yellow.
Yellow. Next. So we already have given 4 colors. Yellow. Then cyan. Cyan. Next.
Magenta.
Magenta, is the spelling correct?
Yes.
Magenta. Then 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 5. Okay. Okay, so that is it. And then now we have to use Fred dot colors. Fred dot color, and we have to give it colors. So we are saying, okay, use this list of colors and then draw a pattern. Okay, next thing is Fred dot circle. We have to draw a circle, means the pattern will be with circle, right? So Fred dot circle, circle, and let's say 100. What does this mean, Ashi?
It is the radius.
Yes, it is the radius, 100 pixel radius it will use, and draw the circle using 100 pixel radius. Okay, next is we cannot draw overlapping circles, right? If we do this till now, it will draw on top of each circle again and again. So we have to move the circle a little bit. So how can we move it? Tell me, how can I move it?
To left.
Yes, left or right we can do. That's how it will be the angle. So it says angle. So we'll say with 10-degree shift left. This means Fred dot left 10 means we are saying shift left 10 degree for each draw. And yappa, let's see, it has started drawing the circle. Isn't it cool?
Yes.
Let's see how cool it will become.
It is a rainbow.
It's a rainbow. That's how you chose these colors. So it looks like a rainbow. See the pattern. This looks really cool. Wow, we just have reached half of it. Yellow, cyan, magenta, white. I think one more loop is remaining, which will
blue,
yes,
green, yellow, cyan, magenta, white.
yes, almost done pretty much. I think we could do one more loop, but still it is quite okay, right? Isn't it cool?
Yes.
Now do you see the uh, turtle at the
Yes.
center, which is with the white color? So we can hide the turtle. So not turtle, right? We have turtle name is Fred. So Fred dot hide turtle. Yes. Fred dot hide turtle. So see, hide turtle is coming up.
Yes.
That's a function. And see, the turtle has gone, and this is the final product for us. Isn't it cool?
Yes.
Great. So next day we'll be drawing something else, some different patterns. Hmm?
Yes.
Okay.